In today's video, I'll show you how to buy and download new games on your PS5 or PS5 Pro. Let's get into the method. Head to the PlayStation Store first. You can get here by scrolling to it within the Games tab on the home screen. Within the store, you can either browse the games on the home page or use the search icon near the top right to type in the game's name and search for it. Once you've found the game you want to buy, make sure it's the correct version, as some games will have multiple. You can use the three dots icon next to the wishlist option to view the different versions. Once you're happy, select the price of the game, then review the information again, such as your current payment card that will be used, agree to the terms once reading them, and then select Order and Pay. It should now process the order, and once this is done, it will confirm the purchase. You should now be able to begin the download by choosing Download in the top right corner of the Purchase Complete screen. Back on the home screen in the Games section, you can scroll right to your game library and view the progress of the download here. If you see that it says it's queued for download, select this, then you can view the other downloads and select them to pause them first, and now this new game should start to download. You can also get to this page to view and manage downloads by pressing the PlayStation button, then scroll to the Downloads section. You just now need to allow the game to fully download, and then you can begin playing. That's how to buy and download new games on your PS5 or PS5 Pro. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like, and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.